Good evening. Tonight we're going to do cashew chicken and a standby for Chinese food. Everybody loves it. I may make it a little different. I certainly make it different than in at least where we're living right now than they make it here. So we're going to start with our wok. We're going to put some olive oil into it. Now this is going to be kind of quick. You want to get this nice and hot. Oh yeah, come on. And in a wok it does get hot quick. Oh yeah. That is 2 cups of diced chicken. Now, 2 cups, well, what is that? That's what I thought. Well, I had 4 boneless thighs, and guess what? 4 boneless thighs, when they're all diced up small, make 2 cups. Right on the nose. So we're just gonna cook this up quick. This will take a few minutes. We'll see you in a few. Okay, it's coming right along. Not seeing too much pink left in this chicken here. Don't want anything undercooked. Of course, we've got a little bit longer to go. Once you have the meat pretty much cooked up, it's time for a little salt and pepper. Just a little salt and pepper. And I'm going to get that seasoned nicely, spread nicely. After that, we just add our ingredients in. This is like 3 cups of chicken broth. Now, this is going to have to get hot quick. We're going to add our low sodium soy sauce. Diced or chopped celery. Oh, you can't have it without the water chestnuts. These were diced already for me. I didn't have to, I usually buy the sliced ones and then dice them, but I saw that they were already pre-diced. I said, okay, I'll go for that. Okay. Now we have some bamboo shoots. And last but not least, the little baby corns. These happen to be baby pickled corns. What they had. I'm going to put the lid on. I've got it on hot, and we're going to check and get it to back up to bubbling, and then we'll put in our thickening agent and of course some cashews, and we'll be ready to eat here in just a few minutes. Okay, let's see, and oh yeah, it's bubbling under there. Just Move it around a little bit. Okay. Next thing we got to do is our thickening agent. Now, this, I don't know, this gets passed down from mother to daughter to husband to whatever, but putting cornstarch directly into something hot, you're going to end up with a lot of clumps and a mess. So I have 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch, and I have a 1/2 cup of cold water. Cold being the proper word, it needs to be cold. I'm just going to put it in a little Tupperware thing and shake it. That's enough. It's already fully incorporated. No lump, well, hopefully no lumps, and we can just pour it in right there. And as that gets heated up and pours in, it should start to, when it's already starting to thicken. It's thickened up good. It's thickened up good, and it's ready to go over rice. We have some day-old rice. We actually have some fresh rice. We'll just use it all. Now, taking this off the fire, bring it over. We have a cup of cashews. At this point, you can pour them on, but then they tend to get a little soggy eventually. So what we're going to do is we're going to make our plate and then just sprinkle some cashews on top, about 1/4 cup. This should feed about 4 people, believe it or not. It looks like an army, but that's what they said.